Hey gang, welcome back to HVAC Technology. Today I want to go over a couple headlamps that I use from Milwaukee. I use in the field every day. A couple revisions that I went through, and this is pretty much what I came up with. That best suits me in the field. So I'm going to start off with the first one. This one here. And this is just essentially, it's the Milwaukee floodlight. All right, so basically what I've done, I just took the headlight. Let me see if I can get it in focus here. So yeah, so basically I just stuck it to an existing basically a headband for a old light. And it's got this magnetic base on the back, super strong magnets. So I just put some metal brackets here, and it locks on there. I mean, it's not going anywhere, period. It's pretty strong. So I like it. This is my original solution. And like I said, I've tried every headlamp out there. Essentially tried all the more expensive brands. Tried those super high lumen ones off of Amazon that are like, claim to be 15,000 lumens, and they all pretty much just have failed, given out. I even had one where the actual battery pack blew up, on the back of my head. So I essentially try to, figure something out with these Milwaukee lights. They're really good. This one here, this smaller one, the USB batteries don't last that long. They claim on high mode about 3 to maybe 5 hours or something like that, but I'll be lucky if I get 2 hours out of that on high, so which is 550 lumens. But that's not too bad. I mean, it's pretty respectable, especially seeing how it comes with this spare. So I usually just keep that in my pocket. That way I always have just a backup battery, just in case it does fail me. I'm in a precarious situation. But essentially, so my answer to the low battery life on this one, because the lumens are good. The light, it's got a really good spread. The light is really, there's not any hot spots, that's what I hated about all the other cheaper lights. I mean, you might have gotten that 1,000 lumens, but it was literally probably within an inch diameter hot spot. But these here, because they're flooded, they really do. It almost looks as if you just have a room light on, an ambient light. So I just decided to get this newer Milwaukee. They just came out with this one. This is the Rover. It's just their newer Rover Light, and it's got 700 lumens. But the thing I like most about this here is it takes the M12 platform. So essentially, I mean, I've already got a boatload of M12 tools. I probably have 10 or 11 M12 batteries. So I keep an M12 battery, as if I don't know if you watch my what's my bag video, but I keep an M12 battery in my bag, and I'd probably just keep one in my pocket as well. So this one here, although it's a little bulky, don't get me wrong, it's pretty bulky, but it's not bad. It's worth it to me. Like, I can wear it all day and not think anything of it. But a lot of people might want something a little bit more streamlined. But with this one, just took some wire ties and just strapped it to, once again, an existing headband for an older flashlight, one of the cheaper flashlights. And like I said, it's sturdy. And if you use the 4 amp hour batteries on this, you can get, I think they said in low mode 24 hours run time. High mode I think is about 10 hours. So I love them. I use them every day. Right now I'm using the bigger one every day. And now that I'm recording more, I tend to go toward this smaller one with my camera rig strapped to my head, because just having too much bulk after a while in your head it just kind of gets in the way. But even, like I said, when it comes down to, just going into really dark crawl spaces or areas with no light, I'm gonna put this one on every time. Also, if you really need to get into tight places, that's why I kept, I use both of them. I keep them both set up like this, especially seeing how this one I can just take off anytime. This one's really good for tight places. This one not so good. There's a profile on it. It's pretty deep. But like I said, they both work really well. If you're looking for a nice headlamp solution, I'd recommend trying this mod here, because like I said, there's not many high-end headlight manufacturers out there. Trust me, I've looked around and tried a good amount, and I haven't come across any yet that worked this well. So like I say, if you're interested in giving it a shot, it's pretty easy to do. But you can write me and I can send you some screenshots or images on what I've done there. So yeah, tell me what you think about this, and let me know if you have any other ideas or have tried something similar. All right, thanks for watching. Bye now.